My name is Santiago Rincon. Today, I'll be talking about section 3.3, and that is the addition rule. So what is the addition rule? So it comes in two parts. The first part is the mutually exclusive events. The mutually exclusive events are two events, A and B, cannot occur at the same time. What does that look like? So let's draw a Venn diagram. It looks like this being A and this being B. They don't happen at the same time, meaning they don't overlap. Okay, so for an example, let's say you roll a fair six-sided die, right? What is the probability of rolling a 2 or a 5? So that means you could roll a 2 or a 5. This event is mutually exclusive because they don't happen at the same time. How do we find the possibility of these mutually exclusive events? We need a rule to guide us. Okay, so addition rule: when two events A and B are mutually exclusive, the probability that A or B will occur is the sum of the probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. Okay, let us use this addition rule to find the probability. So, a single six-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a 2 or a 5? So the probability of rolling a 2 is equal to 1/6. And the probability of rolling a 5 is also 1/6. So then the probability of rolling a 2 or a 5 is equal to the probability of 2 plus the probability of 5 is equal to 1/6 plus 1/6, which is then equal to 2/6. Which then could be simplified to 1/3 or 0.333. Okay, so now let's talk about the other part of the addition rule. Now we'll talk about the non-mutually exclusive events. What are these? So what does this look like? This looks like this. So let's draw a Venn diagram. But this time, instead of it looking like that, it's gonna overlap. This is A, and this is B. So there's gonna be an area in the middle where A and B meet. Okay, to show this, I will be using an example of a deck of cards. Let's say from the whole deck of cards, which is 52 cards, a single card is chosen at random. What is the probability of choosing a king or a club. But since there is an overlap between the king and the club, so like the king of clubs, this is non-mutual exclusive. So in this case, the probability of a king or a club is equal to the probability of a king plus probability of a club minus the probability of a king and a club. Now I will turn the page. Okay, so what does this look like? Since the probability of a king in a deck of cards is equal to 4 out of 52, because there are 4 kings in a deck of cards, and then the probability of clubs is equal to 13 over 52, and then the probability of king and club is equal to 1 over 52. So the probability of king or club is equal to 4 over 52 plus 13 over 52 minus 1 over 52, which is equal to 16 over 52 or 4 over 13. So once again, in this example, the events are non-mutually exclusive. The addition causes the king of clubs to be counted twice, so its probability must be subtracted. When the two events are non-mutually exclusive, a difference addition rule must be used. And these are the two parts of the addition rule: the mutually exclusive and the non-mutually exclusive. Thank you. Good night.